shocked at South African woman gave birth to 10 babies. Government unable to verify reports that South African women gave birth to 10 babies. The government says it cannot verify a media report published on Tuesday that a South African woman gave birth to 10 children, breaking the world record. In a statement on Tuesday night, the Director General of Government Communications, Pamela Williams, said that the report and subsequent social media posts had been noted and that it was seeking more information so assistance could be provided. The posts attribute the birth of the babies to Gosi and Thamara Sithole from Gauteng. The government has been unable to verify the authenticity of this birth at our facilities. We need to verify this story and provide assistance when needed, said Williams. The Pretoria News reported on Tuesday that Sithole, 37, gave birth to the 10 children at a Pretoria hospital on Monday night. The name of the hospital was withheld. It's 7 boys and 3 girls. She was 7 months and 7 days pregnant. I am happy. I'm emotional. I can't talk much. Let's talk again in the morning, please, her husband Teboho Tsetsi was quoted as saying. The publication said it had also interviewed the couple at their family home in Thembisra in May, but delayed the publication of the interview at the request of the couple for safety and cultural reasons. Breaking news on Tuesday could not obtain information from Gauteng health authorities regarding the unique birth. Yeah.